Question 9 of this exercise says what should be the value of a if the value of 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5 when x equals to 0. So in this question we will have to find the value of a by putting the value of x that equals to 0. So it is given in the question that 2x square plus x minus a equals to 5. Let's put the value of x that is 0. So it will become 2 into 0 square plus 0 minus a will equal to 5. So 0 into 2 is 0 and that is also 0. So minus a equals to 5. So a will equal to minus 5.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.